Understanding product differentiation, a key marketing strategy. Product differentiation is an essential marketing strategy that allows companies to distinguish their products or services from those offered by competitors. This differentiation is crucial for attracting consumers, building brand loyalty, and ultimately boosting sales. By identifying and communicating the unique qualities of a product, companies can effectively highlight the differences between their offerings and those of their competitors. In this article, we will delve into the concept of product differentiation, its significance, types, and how consumers make choices based on differentiated products. What is product differentiation? At its core, product differentiation is about making a product unique. It involves emphasizing features that can be tangible or intangible. For instance, a high-end car manufacturer may promote its vehicles as luxurious, while a budget car brand may differentiate itself through affordability. The key takeaway is that successful product differentiation can create a competitive edge for the seller and increase brand recognition, which is vital in a saturated market. Key takeaways. Consumer focus. Product differentiation aims to direct a consumer's attention to the unique benefits of a product or brand. Methods of differentiation. Companies can achieve differentiation through various means, such as product design, marketing strategies, packaging, or pricing. Competitive advantage. Effective differentiation strategies allow firms to gain market share and establish a favorable position against competitors. Marketing strategy and product differentiation. As a marketing strategy, product differentiation seeks to influence consumer choice by identifying the qualities that differentiate one product from another. This could include offering unique features, redesigning packaging, or launching new advertising campaigns to reshape consumer perceptions. It's essential to note that sometimes differentiation can be subtle, requiring minimal changes to the product itself. For example, a coffee brand might use eco-friendly packaging to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers, even if the coffee itself does not differ from competitors. Studies indicate that brands with high customer loyalty metrics can grow revenues 2.5 times faster than their industry counterparts. Types of differentiation. Differentiation can take various forms, each with its own implications for marketing strategy. 1. Price differentiation. Companies might offer the lowest prices to attract price-sensitive consumers or employ higher pricing strategies to convey luxury and quality. 2. Performance differentiation. Products can be positioned based on their reliability and effectiveness. For example, some batteries are marketed for having longer lifespans. 3. Location or service differentiation. Local businesses can use their community ties as a selling point, such as sourcing ingredients from nearby farms or promoting their local investment. How consumers choose products. Understanding how consumers make choices is crucial in product differentiation strategies. Consumers may employ two primary approaches. Vertical product differentiation. This involves ranking products based on measurable attributes such as quality and price. Consumers will choose the product they perceive to be the best option based on their valued measures. For instance, a consumer may choose a vegetarian restaurant over one offering meat-based meals based on personal preferences or dietary considerations. Horizontal product differentiation. In this case, decisions are driven more by personal preference rather than objective criteria. For example, a consumer may opt for a strawberry milkshake instead of chocolate due to personal taste, even if both products are similarly priced. Mixed differentiation. Often seen in more complex purchases, consumers might combine both vertical and horizontal differentiation factors. When purchasing a car, for instance, one might consider performance-related ratings but also the color and design that pleases their aesthetic sense. Examples of product differentiation. A pertinent example of successful product differentiation can be observed in the automotive industry. Tesla distinguishes itself through its commitment to innovation, electric-powered vehicles, and a carefully curated brand image. This focus on high-end technology and sustainability enables Tesla to appeal to a niche market that values these features, setting it apart from traditional car manufacturers. Functional versus non-functional features. In differentiation marketing, distinguishing between functional and non-functional features is crucial. Functional features refer to tangible aspects that provide direct benefits to the user, while non-functional features may enhance a product's appeal through branding, aesthetics, or perceived status. For instance, bottled water brands may compete on price or emphasis on local sourcing despite having identical functional attributes. Importance of product differentiation. Product differentiation is critical to maintaining competitive dynamics in the market. Without the ability to differentiate, larger enterprises with economies of scale could dominate by consistently undercutting smaller producers on price. Differentiation enables smaller companies to carve out niche markets and sustain their operations successfully. The bottom line. Ultimately, product differentiation empowers brands to capture market share tailored to consumer preferences. Factors such as pricing, quality, brand image, durability, and even current trends contribute to a consumer's choice. By understanding the various avenues of differentiation and the underlying consumer decision-making processes, companies can develop effective strategies to appeal to their target audience and secure a competitive advantage in the marketplace.